How to enable the speedometer in the Where is my train application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial I will be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable the speedometer for your Where is my train application. So whenever you are inside a train and you have your GPS enabled, you can actually find out the speed of your train relative to your current position within the train. So using this, it will give you a rough idea on how much speed the train is actually traveling, and also it is quite accurate. So let me show you how you can enable this in Where is my train application. So in order to enable that, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Where is my train application, and once the application opens up, you will have an interface like this. Now in this particular interface, you need to click onto these three lines present at the top left corner, and this will open this navigation menu. Now in this navigation menu, you will need to click onto this settings option in order to lead you to the system settings. Now in this application settings, you can see at the speedometer settings are right here, and under the speedometer setting it says speedometer, show speedometer in GPS mode. So if you have this disabled, you can simply enable it, and then the next time whenever you are inside your train, what you can do is simply go to PNR and then click onto this location icon right here. And once you will do this, and once you are inside the train, simply use this arrow right here and then click onto this yes button and provide your location permission. And the moment you will do this, the speedometer will appear right here at the bottom right corner. So that's how easily you can enable the speedometer function or the speedometer feature within the Where is my train application. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to give a like and also don't forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.